and welcome to 369 Chester Road North, which is a 3-bedroom semi-detached family home located on the Stourbridge Birmingham side of Kidderminster. So just stepped in through the open canopy porch to the reception hall, and let's take a look around. So we have front lounge, which is really nice and light. Big bay window and superb footprint. Just off the hall we've got a pantry and storage cupboard, and we've got the kitchen. Let's take a look at the dining room. So again, great footprint. The property was extended out, so larger than your average. And great to have doors out onto the decked terrace. And as such, because of the extension, you've got a much larger kitchen footprint. So the top end you've got the utility area, and then you've got the main breakfasting kitchen at the other end. So you've got your fitted appliances, space and plenty for your washing machine, your dishwasher. As I say, stepping out onto the deck terrace, and with a superb outlook of the enclosed rear gardens. Now to the rear of the garden there is a large style shed. A lot of people have, because of the rear access to the properties, have a garage with the rear access. The ability would be to remove the fencing panels at the rear of the garden and utilise for parking. However, the property does have a driveway to the front, which is ample for our current vendors. So on the landing we've got doors radiate to the bathrooms and the 3 bedrooms. So looking at the first bedroom, it's a large double, built-in wardrobes, and aspect out to the front. We've got bedroom 2. Again, great big large windows, so nice and light. Got the bathroom, got bath with shower over, sink and toilet just around the corner. Good landing area, large loft access, and then into the 3rd bedroom. And again, for the 3rd, you've got a really good sized bedroom. So 369 Chester Road North. To book a viewing, give us a call, drop us an email. View quickly. Many thanks.